Hello and good morning. This is meteorologist Jared Geyer from the Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma with your multimedia web briefing as of early Tuesday morning, April 26th. Well, we had an active severe weather day on Monday, and we are expecting a significant dangerous severe weather day not only today but into Wednesday as well across the southern half of the U.S. For today, we are forecasting the development of a few strong long-track tornadoes and widespread damaging winds over portions of the southern plains and lower Mississippi Valley. The areas most likely to experience this activity include southern Arkansas, extreme northwest Louisiana, southeast Oklahoma, as well as northeast Texas. A significant outbreak of severe thunderstorms and tornadoes is expected later on this afternoon and tonight across a high-risk area. You can see it graphically depicted here across portions of northeast Texas, southeast Oklahoma into Arkansas, and far northwest Louisiana. Surrounding that, we have a moderate risk of severe storms, and then the overall severe threat will actually extend as far north and east as portions of the Ohio Valley, lower Great Lakes, and Appalachians vicinity. Our water vapor satellite loop early this morning reflects the first portion of an upper trough shifting eastward, and that was a key player in severe weather yesterday and as far as severe weather potential today across the eastern U.S. And then on its heels, we have a second, more substantial portion of a western and central U.S. upper trough that will shift eastward. Its associated jet streak will overspread the southern plains later on today and tonight. Early this morning, a broad frontal zone extends southwest to northeast from Texas into the middle Mississippi River Valley. Now, south of that front, we have a warm and humid air mass across the south central U.S. The Texas portion of this front is expected to gradually return northward today as the western states' upper system approaches. Radar imagery early this morning depicts several linear bands of strong severe thunderstorms spreading east-southeastward across the central Gulf Coast states. However, a more substantial severe threat is expected to develop farther west later on this afternoon and evening across the southern plains and Arklatex region. By early this evening, severe thunderstorms should be rapidly developing near and east of a southern plains dry line, including Texas, far southern Oklahoma areas near and east of I-35, eastward into northern Louisiana and much of Arkansas along and south of a surface frontal boundary. The severe weather threat, widespread at that, is expected to continue well through the night into the lower middle Mississippi River Valley and eventually the Tennessee River Valley as well. The greatest severe weather threat this afternoon and tonight, which includes the possibility of strong long-track tornadoes, large hail, and widespread damaging winds, is expected to be concentrated from northeast Texas, southeast Oklahoma, and northern Louisiana, much of Arkansas, into adjacent portions of the Mississippi River Valley. It should be noted that another active severe weather day, potentially significant at that, is expected on Wednesday, a bit farther eastward across the Tennessee Valley and portions of the southeastern U.S. and Gulf Coast states region. Please note that this information is considered experimental and it's not updated. It's only intended for general briefing purposes only. Please consult a Storm Prediction Center and/or local National Weather Service websites, as well as your favorite media sources for the latest forecasts, watches, and warnings. This has been meteorologist Jared Geyer from the Storm Prediction Center with your multimedia web briefing.